Joliza Gunda, with honors and conduct awardee. Diana May J. Oxmo, with honors, outstanding performance in athletics, outstanding performance in social science, research awardee, social science society, service recognition. Joanna D. May M. Ibanez, with honors and conduct awardee. Science and technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Guys, honor, guys, honor. Honor, guys.
Lawrence B. Acero, with
lolo
honors,
ng
conduct
papa.
awardee, research awardee, special recognition in science investigatory and work immersion awardee. Rhea May P. Alcover, with honors, outstanding performance in athletics, conduct awardee, and perfect in attendance. Noreen G. Ali, with honors, conduct awardee, perfect attendance, and work immersion awardee.
Lagi may kimana ko yung istorya.
Renmar J. G. Almonia, with honors, conduct awardee, and perfect in attendance. Walter A. Anyoro, with honors, and conduct awardee. Ivan Crister T. Bacaresas, with honors, conduct awardee, and perfect in attendance. Cassandra Claire Batino, with honors, conduct awardee, and work immersion awardee. Victor Francis C. Perquez, with honors, outstanding performance in science, conduct awardee, work immersion awardee, and special recognition in science investigatory. Charwell D. Dichos, with honors, conduct awardee, research awardee, and special recognition in drum and lyre corps.
Gumagani, kaya kapapang kay
Rama R. Di Maral, with honors, outstanding performance in science, outstanding performance in performing arts, conduct awardee, and perfect in attendance. Christopher E. Dizon, with honors and conduct awardee. Loida Ingrid Sophia B. Eli, with honors, conduct awardee, and special recognition in journalism.
Buang maning bataan ni ay.
Stacy Ray B. Fabricante, with honors and conduct awardee. Maria Nicole D. Galdi, with honors and conduct awardee. Hashdia T. Isma, with honors, conduct awardee. Outstanding performance in Filipino, special recognition in journalism, district best in infomercial. Filipino. Chris Darren G. Horolan, with honors, conduct awardee, and special recognition in science investigatory.
Wala gidawat ingon ko
Christy Joy Mam, with
Wala gidawat ang
honors,
bulag.
and conduct awardee. Donito Junior P. Lamosque, with honors, outstanding performance in performing arts, conduct awardee, and special recognition in